So this company's out building really high performance electric motors for, aviation, marine, defense type applications. Um, really their big main draw is going to be, any kind of application that needs really high power, really low weight, and high energy density type motors. Lots of lots of things make designing these motors really difficult. I think with any high powered electronics, you have a lot of problems with heat. They have to figure out how to dissipate. These things are rotating, so they're vibrating, they're moving around, they're in real world scenarios. So anticipating how they're going to perform in those real world scenarios without affecting performance or affecting the results they need to see is some of the most difficult engineering applications to face. These motors and like all power electronics are really expensive and to build, and the supply chain for them is long. There's a lot of components in here. It takes a long time to build them, and it costs a lot of money to build them. So if the engineers make wrong assumptions, say in the cooling of some of these motors, you could put it on a test stand and it could melt apart, or it could fail, catastrophically, and all that time, money, and effort is wasted. Obviously, the worst case scenario is that one of those assumptions gets out to the customer before it ever, gets caught in the test stand. But no matter what, if something's wrong and you see a part failure too late, it's a really costly mistake, both in terms of actual dollars and then engineering time and spent on these kind of problems.